I think it's hugely important to be growing tech skills within the Welsh workforce. My name's Tara Rosen. I'm a software developer at Sport Wales.
Mae Tara'n gweithio fel rhan o'r tîm digidol yn Chwaraeon Cymru, ac ochr yn ochr a'i rôl o ddydd i ddydd, mae wedi bod yn reoli Anselm, gradd brentis newydd y tîm.
We experienced a tech shortage in terms of skills and digital development, and the degree apprenticeship route was attractive to us specifically because we didn't have to cover the cost of the degree. That was covered by Welsh Government.
Dyma'r tro cyntaf i dîm Tara yn Chwaraeon Cymru fuddsoddi mewn cynllun gradd prentisiaeth. Mae Tara wedi gweld bod addysg prifysgol apprentice wedi dod â sgiliau a thechnegau newydd i'r tîm, a bod modd roi rhain ar waith yn y gwaith maen nhw'n ei wneud.
So the business has benefited enormously from hiring degree apprenticeships. We're getting that skills in-house, we're able to take on a lot more projects. I think probably 3, 4, even 5 more projects within a year that we were able to do beforehand, just because we now have those skills in-house that we're able to tap into.
Ynghyd â'r twf mewn prosiectau sy'n gallu cael ei gwneud, mae Tara hefyd wedi gweld cynnydd yn y wybodaeth sy'n deillio o gyrsiau prifysgol apprentice ac sy'n cael ei rannu gyda'r tîm ehangach.
The first thing I'd say to business thinking of hiring an apprenticeship would be to first of all do it. We've seen huge benefits from it. It was the most job applications we've ever had for a role.
Gan mai dyma'r tro cyntaf i Chwaraeon Cymru gyflwyno'r math hwn o gais am swydd, roedden nhw'n cynnig adnoddau ychwanegol i ymgeiswyr, gan gynnwys sesiynau galw heibio lle gallai pobl gael ragor o wybodaeth am y rôl. Trwy ddarparu ragor o gymorth i ymgeiswyr, fe welyn nhw ystod fwy amrywiol o bobl yn ymgeisio.
We're making these huge technological breakthroughs and businesses are always looking at ways to capitalise on that. And then these type of roles help to future-proof that workforce as well because you're really embedding those skills from the ground up.
Gwnewch ddewis doeth. Chwiliwch am prentisiaethau Cymru neu ffoniwch dim 800 dim 28 4844.